Hello guys, welcome back to Versa YouTube and with another video. Today I'm going to explain you all how to find the solution of the given problem here given. It is as it's for 10 marks in SCA examinations. It's very important. Cayley Hamilton theorem you can score well, and you can score 10 marks in SCA examinations, and you can have good grade points in BTech. So here is the explanation of this question. So here first write it as A. You take a minus lambda I determinant. So here 3 minus lambda, 5 minus lambda, 5 minus lambda, 1 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 minus 1. So here for taking characteristic equation of this given matrix, there is a short trick. Lambda cube minus s lambda square minus m11 plus m22 plus m33 lambda minus det equal to 0. So here lambda cube. S is what here? 3 plus 5 plus 5, 13. 13 lambda square plus m11. M11 is what here? So let's understand this. M11 is removing this and this row. 5 5 is 25. 25 minus 1, 24. 24 here. I written 24. Next M22. M22 means this. Removing this and this row. 3 5 is 15 minus 1, 14. Next is 5. So here removing this and this row. 5 3 is 15, 15 plus 1, 16. 16 lambda minus det A equal to 0. So here by using calculator I am calculating the determinant. So take see this. I am taking first home, next matrix, next here entering matrix. So mat A I am taking tools 3 comma 3 edit here. So I am editing this. So 3 1 1 minus 1 5 minus 1 1 minus 1 5. So here is a matrix. I have got it a matrix 3 1 1 minus 1 5 minus 1 1 minus 1 5. So here I am executing it. So as to save in the calculator. So next catalog matrix, next is mat calculate determinant. So here selected determinant. Next mat A close. So here you are getting 72. So write it here 72 lambda cube minus 13 lambda square plus 50, what is this, 30 plus 24, 54 lambda minus 72 equal to 0. So here every matrix satisfies its own characteristic equation. It's a property under Cayley Hamilton theorem. So here every matrix satisfies its own characteristic equation. So here I am taking directly substituting a cube minus 13 lambda square in the place of lambda square. I am substituting a 54a minus 72 I. Here I am taking I because in every in anything, if anything is not there, we should put I in the place of nothing in the characteristic equation. So I am putting here I. So here for verifying it I am using it calculator here. So let's do it. Lambda cube minus 13 lambda a square, a cube minus 13 a square plus 54 minus 72 I. So let's understand this, and by using calculator let's calculate the values. Mat A whole cube means what here? Matrix cubed. So here matrix cubed, what is it? So write it here. Here showing it 27 37. So write it here down in the this notebook. So I am writing it 27 37 37 minus 63 127 minus 89, 63, minus 63, 153. So here I wrote it. Next 13. 13 into a square. A square I am calculating again. Catalog, matrix, matrix calculate, first square. So here I am getting 9, 7, 7 minus 9, 25 minus 11, 9 minus 9, 27. So here I am getting this. 9, 7, 7 minus 9, 25 minus 11, 9 minus 9, 27. So next is plus 54 a here. I am did it out here. Just write it here also 54a. So I am writing it here in the next page. You should write in a one page only because examiner won't be confused. So here 54 into a. A is what here 3 1 1 minus 1 5 minus 1 1 minus 1 5 minus 72. So here 72 IV is what here 72 72 72 0 0 0. It's a simple thing, you will be understood this. You will understand easily this. 72 into identity matrix will be this only 72 72 72 0 0 0, and this will be the matrix. So next calculate this, verify this by using calculator. I am using calculator for faster calculations. If you do it by hand calculations like this 27 minus 13 into 9 minus 72 minus 54 into 3, it will be a greater problem. It will be creating more problem in answering the question. So I am doing it in the calculator for easier and best calculations. So here I am taking on. Next, home, matrix, mat A, cubed minus 13, mat A whole square plus 54 mat A minus 72. Here mat C, if you want to define it, you can define it by using calculator here. So I have already defined it, mat C. So here if you want to see the mat C, let's see it also. Edit, see here I have defined it before only. In the examination also you can define it before the examination, so that you will get answers very quickly in the examination. So you can define it in the at the home also. It's legal, so you can do it and go to examination. So here is 1. So here I am taking matrix calculation again. So here after applying this, you got it as this. So here it is I have entered before that, you have seen that. So here it is getting to equal to as 0 here after executing it. So here see, after executing it I am getting the 0 value. So our characteristic equation is verified. Characteristic is true, equation is true, and Cayley Hamilton theorem is proved. Theorem is proved or verified. Verified. Next is to find A inverse. So to find A inverse, I am taking this characteristic equation and putting A in the characteristic equation and multiplying it with A inverse, so that I will get the A inverse value here. So I am taking A inverse into A cube minus 13A square plus 54 A, here also A, minus 72 I equal to 0. So here I am taking A inverse into A cube is A square minus 13A plus 54I minus 72 A inverse equal to 0. So sending this to this side, it will become 1 by 72 to A square minus 13A plus 54I equal to A inverse. So let's do it in the calculator. I have already known this. So here I am writing 1 by 72 into a square. A square is what here? A square is what here? So a square is 9. So see here, from this you can write it 9 7 7 minus 9 25 minus 11 9 minus 9 27. Next minus 13. 13 into a is what here? 3 1 1 minus 1 5 minus 1 1 minus 1 5. Next 54i. 54i is what here? So define it easily. 54 54 54 0 0 0 0 0 0 equal to what? Let's find it out. It's the value of the a inverse. So let's do it by using calculator here, and also at last we will verify the answer. So next here, just change something. We have we have already taken the, so here take it a square here, a square minus 13a, 13a plus 54 mat c. Here see, I am just changing it so that your time won't be wasted in the examination. You can calculate it more in a more efficient and faster calculating, but for your sake of understanding, I am clarifyingly explaining you in detail. So yeah, take it, and here 1 by 72, 1 1 divided by 72, 1 by 72 mat a square minus 13 mat a plus 54 mat c. So here mat c is identity matrix. So here there was a small mistake. So let's do it again. Mat a square minus 13 mat a plus 54 mat c. So here don't take it like this. Go back again. First 1 by 72. Write it as 1 by 72 into mat a square. So here mat a whole square minus 13 a, 13 mat a plus 54 mat c. So here again it's showing the same answer, that is that it is the final answer. So here write it as 24 by 7. Next uh, minus 6 by 7. Next minus 6 by 7. Next 4 by 7. Next 2. Next 2 by 7. Next minus 4 by 7. Next 4 by 7. Next 16 by 7. This is the final answer. I got it from the calculator. So let's analyze this and again verify the result. So go back and press on the matrix, catalog matrix mat a. Next back, catalog matrix, calculate determinant inverse. So here you got the same answer. uh, just a small mistake here. So so if you got the wrong answer, it's wrong. So you should again check it by taking a inverse from the calci. So here I am taking again. So here see, 1 by 72 mat a square minus 13 mat a plus 54 mat c. Mat c is what here? Identity matrix. So I am executing it. So I got it as 0.333. So here it is wrong here. So verified by the calculator. So I am writing it here. So 1 by 3 minus 1 by 12 minus 1 by 12, 1 by 18, 7 by 36, 1 by 36 minus 1 by 18, 1 by 18, 2 by 9. So this is the uh, value of A inverse here. So next step is to verify this by the calculator method. So matrix, next mat A, next calculate inverse matrix. So here you got the same thing here also same thing. See, everything is same. So from this you can observe here. So it's verified. Now you can write down the answer sheet or examination. So this is all about how to find the way on how to find and verify Cayley-Hamilton theorem and how to find A inverse by using Cayley-Hamilton theorem. It's a very easy problem. You must check once before answering. That's it. The calculator will be set down in different stages. So here you should check down once again so that you will get the correct answer. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, the bell icon, and activate the notification bar. Thanks for watching, friends. For more interesting videos like this, subscribe. Bye, friends. I'm showing you it from the top to bottom again, so as to you can copy in the notes. It's a very easy problem and scoring problem, so you can score well by seeing it and understanding it. Very easy and scoring problem that you will get in the SC examinations in the first year week. It's common for all branches, so you can get it here. So thanks for watching, friends. Bye, friends.